Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw and color a super cute glittery dinosaur. Grab your favorite colors and let's get started. Welcome to Glitty Art. First, I draw the head, the body, and the long tail on the side. Next, I draw the legs, the long neck, and the little arms. Dinosaurs lived all over the world. Scientists have found their fossils in Africa, Asia, North and South America, and even Antarctica. I add the eyes, the nose, and a big happy smile. Then I draw the spiky spikes on the back. Now it's time to color. First, I use black and gray for the eyes and nose. I use gray again for the belly. Next, I color the whole body, arms, legs, and tail with bright green. Dinosaurs were giant reptiles that lived millions of years ago, long before humans were around. They lived on Earth for over 165 million years. There were many kinds of dinosaurs. Some were huge and scary, and others were small and gentle. Finally, I color the spikes with shiny orange. Look how sparkly it is! Wow! Our glitter dinosaur looks amazing! If you like this drawing, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Glitty RT for more fun glitter drawings. See you next time. Bye!